Hey, I'm Nick Evans, co-founder and CEO of Avocado, and today we're going to use the AI to add a different language to the menu. So a great way to be able to have multiple languages, English while you're taking orders, but Spanish or Chinese in the kitchen is literally just to add the second language to the menu item, right? It's kind of a tedious thing to do to go through each one of those, but AI makes it so fast and easy to do that. We can do it in just one prompt. So here I've got the AI assistant pulled up. I'm going to use text-to-speech to tell it what we want to do. Add Spanish to the end of every category and item name in parentheses. So now this is going to go through, look at every single category, every single menu item, translate it to Spanish, and then tack it on to the end. Looks like it's listing it all right here to make sure it all looks right beforehand. And now it's going to start editing the menu. Oh, it's asking. I'll say, go ahead. And you can see it's already getting to work. And of course, from the cute little stars, you can see where AI made edits. And great, looks like it grabbed every single one. I'm gonna hit save here. And again, so this is something that you'll see on the point of sale. You'll see it on online ordering as well, and at the KDS, the kitchen display system. So if that makes it easier for your kitchen to have that in their native language, it just can be a really quick, easy hack to just make your workflow work a little bit better. And it's so quick and easy to do with the AI that's in Avocado. But that's all we're gonna show you today. Thanks for watching, and please follow along. We're gonna have a lot more of these tips.